Are you struggling to set up Apache CouchDB on Heroku? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, especially when they're new to Heroku. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to get CouchDB running smoothly on your Heroku instance. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your application fails to start because it can't connect to the database. It's a common issue, and it can feel overwhelming when you're just starting out with Heroku. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked how to host CouchDB on Heroku after encountering startup failures with their Node.js RESTful API. They even tried a build pack that no longer exists and found no solutions on Stack Overflow. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So, what could be causing this connection issue? It often boils down to the configuration settings or the way CouchDB is deployed on Heroku. We'll break it down step by step to ensure you have a clear path forward. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your CouchDB setup on Heroku even easier. To set up Apache CouchDB on Heroku, the user should first create a new Heroku app. This can be done using the Heroku CLI by running the command Heroku create. Next, the user needs to add a CouchDB add-on to their Heroku app. They can do this by running the Heroku add-ons create CloudAnt NoSQL DB. This will provision a CouchDB instance for them. After adding the CouchDB add-on, the user should retrieve the database connection URL. This can be done by running Heroku config in the terminal, which will display the environment variables. Now, the user needs to update their Node.js application to use the CouchDB connection URL. They should replace any hard-coded database URLs with the environment variable they just retrieved. Finally, the user should deploy their application to Heroku again. This can be done by committing any changes and running git push Heroku main. Fun fact: did you know that CouchDB is designed for ease of use and scalability? It's a great choice for NoSQL databases, especially when paired with Heroku. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to setting up Apache CouchDB on Heroku involves using a specific build pack. If you're creating a new app, you can run the command to create it with the CouchDB build pack installed. If you already have an app, you can add the build pack using a configuration command or set it directly with another command. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check the Heroku logs for any errors after deployment. This can save you a lot of time in troubleshooting. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to set up CouchDB on Heroku successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. And remember, troubleshooting is a skill that gets easier with practice.